In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the shape of a photo here in Canva. Now, unfortunately, we can't actually change the shape, but what we can do is utilize Canva's frames to technically change the shape of this image. So what we want to do is come over to Elements just here. Then we can scroll down and we can come to Frames. Now, all of these is what we can use, and Canva has so many different types of frames. But if we just want basic shapes, we can click on See All just here under Basic Shapes, and then we can choose any one of these. So if we move that up to the corner, we can take a circle. We can also take a star. And let's take something else like a heart. Now what we can do is put the image into these frames, and then the image is going to be a shape. So let's duplicate this 3 times, just like that. We're going to take one and just drag it into the frame. We're going to take the other and drag it into the frame. Then we're going to take this one and drag it into the frame as well. Now let's just make these a little bit more lined up, just like that. Now, if your image doesn't quite look right, we can also double click onto that image. Then we can adjust, we can make bigger and move it around. Then we can click done. We can do that on any of these as well. So we'll make that one a little bit bigger, and we'll technically just move this one over so it's centered. And then we can, if we'd like to, also add borders to these as well by coming up to the toolbar, clicking on one of these styles. Let's go with the solid one, increase the stroke weight, and then we can also change the color of this as well. But nonetheless, that's just how easy it is to change the shape of a photo here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.